Friends, let's start our today's lecture. Before starting the lecture, you know that there are some instructions for you which you have to follow, that your attendance is mandatory. Be active and focused. Keep your relevant books and stationery with you. Divide your notebook into two sections, one for classwork, one for homework. In the classwork section, you have to solve the questions which will be explained in slides, and in homework section, you have to solve your assignments or home tasks. Your work should be very neat and clear. Okay. You know that we have started chapter number 11, which is triangle, quadrilaterals, and polygons. Exercise 11A was totally linked with the triangles, and exercise 11B is totally linked with the quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilateral, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, sphere, kite. So far we have completed question 1 till 4. Now we are going to solve the question number 5 of exercise 11B, page 275 on your books. On your books, page 275, question number 5. I think we have done the part A of question number 5. Okay, fine. Okay. Question number 5, part A. Find the values of the unknown in each of the following rhombuses. First of all, if I can say that you have to memorize the properties of the rhombus, right? In rhombus, the opposite angles are equal. The first property, the opposite angles are equal. So if this is a degree, this is 114 degree, it means that a degree is equals to 114 degrees. So simple that a will be equal to 114 degrees, right? The other part is b degree. Now if you can see in rhombus, all the four sides are equal, right? If I am saying that AB is equals to BC, AB is equals to BC, and A and BC is equals to CA, or I can say AC is also equals to AB. Mean to say that this in this triangle ABC, the half part of the rhombus, all the sides will be equal. So if this AB is equals to BC, then the connecting angles will also be equal, or you can say AC is equals to AB. If AC is equals to AB, then if this is B degree, this will also be B degree. Angle C will also be B degree. So B degree plus B degree plus 114 degree is equals to 180 degree. Is this clear? You can find the value of B, which is 33 degree. Part A done. Any question? Part A done. B degree plus 114 degree is equals to 180 degree. Sum of angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. 2B when dividing with this term, B is equals to 33 degree. Right? Part number B. But in part number B, whenever you are going to see this arrow, this outside arrow, it means that whatever the angle on this side, the angle will be same on this side, right? If this is 38 degree, the other part of the diagonal will also be equal to 38 degree. Whenever this arrow will be shown, do remember that if this is 38, this will also be 38 degree, right? One thing clear? Okay. The other part is you have to find the value of unknown, which is D degree and C degree, right? This is rhombus. If I can say that this is, okay, this is not a parallel line. Okay, I can say this is a parallel line. This is a parallel line. I am taking the single parallel lines, and this is the transversal, which is cutting this. Then C degree will equal to 38 degree. But with the help of alternate angles, so C degree is known, which is 38 degree. Is this clear? Right? Is this clear? Okay. Now, if this is 38 degree, this will also be 38 degree. How this is going to be 38? See, if I can take a triangle A, B, and D. If I can take this triangle A, B, and D, and again, if the sides are equal, the angles will also be equal. If sides are equal, the angles will also be equal. So if I can say this is 38, this will also be 38 degree. Is this clear? If this is 38 degree, this will also be 38 degree because AB is equals to AD. AB is equals to AD. That's why BD and B angle will also be same. So if this is 38, this will also be 38. So 38 plus 38 degree plus D degree is equals to 180 degree. Right? Is this clear to everyone? If you have any question related to part number B, then please raise your hands. No questions? Okay. Okay, part number C. A, B, C, and D again is a rhombus. A, B, C, and D is a rhombus. Again, you have to find F degree and E degree. Now, again, this arrow, which means that this part will also be 42 degree. Diagonal, this part will also be 42 degree. Then the main point is what will be E degree if this is a, yes, Zaina. Yes, Zaina.
मैम आपने 42 के साथ वाले एंगल को 42 डिग्री क्यों लिया है?
बच्चे, see this. This is the arrow.
ओके मैम. मैम वो
Right?
बुक पे बना वो.
Yes.
ओके मैम.
It is already on the book. So if this is 42 degree, this is will also be 42 degree, right? And if DC is parallel to AB, if DC is parallel to AB, this is the transversal, then what will be angle E? Angle E will also be 42 degree with the help of alternate angles, right?
मैम
So
अगर एरो नहीं बना होगा तो फिर तो 42 नहीं होगा ना उसके साथ वाला एंगल, अगर एरो नहीं होगा तो.
no. But in rhombus, all the four sides are equal. So the angles related to these sides will also be equal. Do remember this, right? Okay, so E degree will be 42 degree. This was so simple. We have already found the value of E degree, which is 42 degree. Now, if this is 42 degree, this is also 42 degree, right? So if I can take a triangle A, C, and D, if I can take a triangle A, C, and D, 42 degree plus 42 degree. Now see this, if one part of the diagonal is F degree, the other side will also be F degree because we know that the sides are equal, the angles will also be equal. The whole angle will be F degree plus F degree, right? So with the help of this, we will be able to find the value F degree plus 42 plus 42 is equals to 180 degree. You can easily find the value of F from the part number C. Is there any confusion related to part number C? Then please raise your hand. No confusion? Good. Ira. Yes, Ira. जी बच्चे.
मैम मुझे नहीं समझ आई.
What?
मैम किस तरह किया आपने?
Don't mute yourself, first of all. See this. This is the rhombus. You know that whenever this arrow is outside, it means that this part will also be 42 degree. The same one. Right? If this is 42 degree, now see this. This is the parallel line. This is the parallel line. This is the transversal. If this is E degree, this will also be E degree, which means 42 is equals to E degree.
Yes.
Right? So this is the first part. We have already solved it. Now in rhombus, I have already told you that the sides are equal. If the diagonal bisecting the sides are equal, You see DE is equals to EB and AE is equals to EC. So if the diagonal is bisecting this way, half part is F degree, the other part will also be F degree.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
right? So AC and D, this is the triangle. ACD is a triangle. What is angle D? F degree plus F degree. What is angle BAC? 42 degree. What is angle A? 42 degree, which means that sum of angle of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. You can find the value of F, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with the question. Let's start question number 6. In question number 6, the figure shows a rectangle ABCD. First of all, the figure is a rectangle where the diagonals are AC and BD. It is very clear. Now see this. When two lines are intersecting, if this is point E, this angle is 52 degree. What will be its vertical opposite angle? This one will be also be 52 degree. So it means that this side is equals to 52 degree. And in rectangle, all the sides are equal. And diagonals are, the bisecting diagonals will also be equal. The whatever the length of AE and AC is same, DE and EB are same. It means that AE is equals to DE. Is this clear? DE is equals to AE. This side and this side is equal. E is already known, which is 52 degree vertical opposite angle, right? This side is 52 degree. This side and this side is same because DE is equals to AE. Is this clear? AE is equals to DE and this E degree is already 52 degree. Now you know that if I can see a triangle AD and E, if I can see a triangle AD and E, where two sides are equal, this is 52 degree and this side is equal, we don't even know the value of this and this, so I can assume that this is X degree. And in a triangle where two sides are equal, the triangle is isosceles triangle and the connecting base angles will also be same. If this is X degree, this will also be X degree. So I can say angle D is X and angle A is X degree, right? I can write X degree plus 52 degree is equals to 180 degree. And I can solve the value of X and the value of X will be 64 degree, right? Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Now, if you can see, I have only taken the part, if this is 64 degree, the half part of D is 64 degree. The diagonal was cutting, the half part of A was 64, the half part of D was 64. But we have a property, now we have to find A, C and D. This A part is already 64 because we have taken the half part of A, which is already known, the X degree, this was X, and the X degree was 64 degree. But come towards the point that in rectangle, all the angles are equal to 90 degree, right? If the angle is 90 degree, the half part of D was 64 degree, but the total angle D is equals to 90 degree. 90 degree plus C degree plus 64 degree is equals to 180 degree. Is this clear? You can solve the value of C, which is 2060. Is this clear? If you have any question, please raise your hand. Anyone? Okay, fine. Part number 7. The figure shows a parallelogram ABCD. The figure shows a parallelogram ABCD where BAD is equal to 65 degree. Okay, first of all, the point is in parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. If A is 65, if angle A is equals to 65, angle C will also be equal to 65 degree. Is this clear? If angle A is 65, this angle C will also be 65 because of opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. Is this clear to everyone? Right? Okay. Now I am going to solve part second first, which is C, B, and E. C, B, and E. This is a triangle CBE. This is the triangle CBE where angle C is equals to 65 degree. If you can see that outside the triangle, there is one angle which is exterior, which is 125 degree. And exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles, right? Then 125 is equals to, what is angle C? 65 degree. Angle B is unknown. So 125 minus 65 is equals to angle B, and angle B is equals to 60 degree. Angle B is equals to 60 degree. Is this clear to everyone? That how I have solved this part by using the triangle BCE. E was the exterior angle, C was vertical, sorry, the opposite angle 65 degree plus B degree is equals to 125 degree, and you have solved the value of B degree. Now come towards the part number A, which is A, D, and E. How you are going to solve A, D, and E? But A, D, and E. You have to find this angle, right? You have to find this angle ADE. Okay. First of all, you know that E degree is 125 degree. Yes, Ishal. Yes, Ishal. Unmute yourself.
मैम मैं अटेंडेंस लगा रही थी, रेज हैंड पे चला गया.
Okay. Okay. ADE. Bache, what is AD and E? This is straight line. This is parallel line. This is parallel line, right? This is a transversal. Whether it is a parallel line, but it is cutting the parallel lines, two parallel lines, it means that this is a transversal, right? This concept is clear that two parallel lines and the transversal is cutting the line. Two parallel lines and transversal is cutting the line. The angles on a same side is equals to interior angles, and the sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree. Is this clear? If this is 65 degree plus angle D is equals to 180 degree, angle D is equals to 180 minus 65, the answer will be 115 degree. Is this clear to everyone? Any questions? Then please raise your hand. Question 6 and 7. Yes, Myla.
Ma'am, can you explain me this part once again?
Yes, I can. Don't mute yourself. But this is the parallel line DC. This is the parallel line AB. Right? This transversal is cutting this point. Transversal is cutting the point parallel lines DC and AB. Right? And the angles on a same side, you have to find A, D, and E. You have to find this angle. So the angles on a same side is equals to interior angle.
So ma'am, we're doing it with the adjacent rule.
With the?
We're doing it with the adjacent rule.
No, we are doing it with the transversal rule.
So ma'am, we're adding up, like we're doing it with 180, like angles on a straight line is equals to 180.
No, angles on a straight line, this concept is not used over here. See, these are the parallel lines, not straight lines. These are the parallel lines. DC and AB is a parallel line, and this is the transversal which is cutting those parallel lines. And we know that if transversal is cutting the parallel lines, the angles on a same side is equals to interior angle. They are the interior angle, and the sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. Right,
Yes,
Myla? So that's why
yes,
if we have to found AD, for example, this line will be F. We have to found ADF, then this angle and this angle will be alternate angles. Simple 65 degree. But this angle we have to find A, D, and E, which means that you have to find this angle, and this angle is known as interior angle. So sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. 65 degree plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. So angle D will be equal to 115 degree. Now is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So is there any question related to today's topic? I am not going to solve question number 8, as I know it will be difficult for you to understand the concept of question number 8 as you have your monthly tests ahead. Right? Any question? If you have any question, then please raise your hands. Yes, Maheen.
Ma'am, can you go on question 5 part C?
Okay. Question 5 part C.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
It is already uploaded on GC, bache. The solutions are already uploaded.
No, ma'am, I was on last lines.
Okay. Akifa. Akifa, bache, is there any difficulty in today's lecture?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Anyone who is facing any difficulty while solving these questions, then please raise your hands. Ehab. Is there any difficulty related to this?
No.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, fine. So this was the today's lecture. If you found any difficulty related to 11B, exercise 11B, then you can ask me anytime, and do prepare your monthly test with the concepts. Okay. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.